Hi everyone, so this is part one in a series of videos that's meant to help you write correctly for drum set in Finale, having it get in line with the way you've been taught how to write for drum set in Arranging 1. So I've set up a score, and I did it very quickly using the setup wizard, but there are a couple problems, and all of these problems we're going to fix by using the score manager. So first of all, notice that the score order isn't correct. At Berklee, we put the drum set on the bottom, and we want the piano on top. And then also, if you look at where all of these different instruments sit on the staff, they're not the same as what we do at Berklee. So for example, here it has the ride cymbal on the top line. At Berklee, the way we've decided to notate it is on the space above the staff. For hi-hat, they have hi-hat in the wrong space as well. So we are going to customize this and change everything so that it fits in line with what Berklee has at our institution instead of what the programmers of Finale want. So to change this, we're going to go into the score manager. And in the score manager, we can make a bunch of changes. So for example, in the score manager, I can move the score order. I can put drum set on bottom and electric piano on top. All right, there we go. And see, now already it's fixed in the score. Now, if we go into drum set, using the score manager, we can also change the instruments that are included in this drum set. So I have drum set selected. I'm going to go here under notation style and settings, and we're going to edit the drum set. Now here we can add and delete instruments, and we can move instruments where they sit on the staff. So for example, splash cymbal, I don't need it. I'm going to delete it by pressing the minus sign. Crash cymbal, okay, I'm going to keep one crash cymbal, but I'm going to delete the second one. Hi-hat open and closed I want foot, I don't want the splash, I don't need China cymbal, ride cymbal I'm going to keep, I'm going to delete bell, I'm going to keep snare drum and cross stick, maybe I don't need rim shot and ghost stroke, going to keep the toms, but maybe just the first three toms. Going to delete ride cymbal 2, going to delete triangle, delete, delete, delete. Going to keep kick drum, but I'm going to get rid of bass drum and rhythm cues. So now I have only the instruments I want, and I got rid of instruments by using the minus sign. If you accidentally delete an instrument that you actually wanted to keep, you can use the plus sign to add it back. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move the instruments so that they're in the correct part of the staff. So for example, for a hi-hat closed, I want it on the top space in the staff, and I'm going to click on this little box, and now I can move it around. So I'm going to move it to the top space. I'm going to move hi-hat open to the top space. I'm going to move the hi-hat foot pedal to what it calls staff position 5. For ride cymbal, I'm going to move it to the space above the staff. Snare drum is already in the correct spot. For the toms, I've got high, medium, and low, and I'm going to put them on the corresponding top 3 lines. High, medium, and low. And now I'm all set. So now that I have the instruments that I want in the spots that I want them, I'm going to press OK. I'm going to press Cancel. And I'm going to close the window. And now I can see that the instruments are where I want them to be. So hi-hat open, hi-hat closed, snare drum, foot pedal, kick drum, ride cymbal, and I'm moving across these instruments by using the up and down arrows. Now you're in pretty good shape to start writing a drum groove, and that's where this video ends. All right, take care. Talk to you later. Bye.